Want hair that's as radiant as your skin? The secret lies in nourishing hair masks you can easily whip up with natural ingredients from your kitchen. For dry, brittle strands, mix 2 tablespoons of coconut oil with 1 tablespoon of honey. Apply this blend to damp hair, focusing on the ends, and leave it on for 30 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water. If your scalp needs a detox, try combining 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. This mask soothes irritation, balances pH, and adds a natural shine. Massage it gently into your scalp, let it sit for 20 minutes, then rinse well. For an extra boost of moisture, mash 1 ripe avocado with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and apply from roots to ends. Cover your hair with a shower cap, wait 20 minutes, and rinse thoroughly. These DIY masks not only revitalize your hair, but also complement a holistic self-care routine. Use them once a week alongside your favorite skincare rituals to reveal a healthy, glowing look from head to toe. Remember, your hair deserves as much love and attention as your skin.